Sports News at 6 in high definition continues.
Well, good Saturday evening to everybody out there as we go ahead and get started with a live look outside the NTS Skycam, looking at the airport and north of Lubbock. We just can't get enough of this nice weather this afternoon with just a few high clouds streaming in. I mean, just get out there and enjoy it this evening. As we get into your weather headlines, though, well, this is what we're looking at with coming into this next week. Yes, the sunny, breezy conditions continue with us this weekend, leading to some of those fire weather concerns over the beginning of next week, especially as we head into Tuesday. Those winds will really ramp up, but yes, a taste of summer heading our way to the South Plains, especially as we head into Tuesday. We're talking highs near 90 degrees, and then looking at some rain chances and some changes as we head into late next week. Now, here's your futurecast taking us through this evening. Looking at an isolated shower going up across the northern and northwestern South Plains overnight tonight. Nothing major, but take a look at this. Partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Tomorrow we're looking at lots of sunshine back in store across the South Plains. Now, the other main story will be the winds. Much like today, not as strong, but tomorrow afternoon, take a look at these wind speeds. Still looking at wind speeds 15 to 20 miles per hour with some locally higher gusts. So once again, those fire weather conditions for Sunday. And as we head into this beginning of next week, those winds really ramp up. But tomorrow, Red Raider baseball forecast taking on those Longhorns. Temperatures at first pitch in those 80s. So remember the sunscreen and hats. Sunny and warm conditions. Southwest winds, though, breezy, like I said, 14 to 24 miles per hour with some locally high gusts, but a fantastic day to get out there and cheer on those Red Raiders. Tonight, though, a mild night, 59 degrees, isolated chance of a shower going up across the South Plains. Nothing major, partly cloudy, south-southwest winds, 14 to 22 miles per hour. Your extended day forecast taking us through the next 3 days. Another warm day ahead of us for Sunday, a high temperature of 88 with lots of sunshine. Breezy, like I said, tomorrow afternoon. Fire weather conditions as we head into this beginning of next week. Taking a look through the remainder of the week, those high temperatures near 90. Yes, much feel like taste of summer across the South Plains. Looking at those fire weather conditions, dust back in their forecast once again on Tuesday. Watching a front coming in on late Wednesday. That will usher in our changes by later next week. Looking at those rain chances returning back later next week with those high temperatures in the 70s. Severe weather alert day for your Friday once again. And then next Saturday looking nice with back to sunshine in those low 80s. But Wes, I mean, like today, tomorrow, get out there and enjoy it. Just remember the sunscreen and hats, right? I mean, you don't want to get sunburned sitting out there on those bleachers, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, you know, I like to see those 90s in the forecast. I feel like we still have the blizzard still in the back of everybody's mind and everybody's heart. So I really like seeing the 90s there in the forecast for the first time in a very long time.
That's right. I mean, you like playing golf. I mean, getting outside and hitting the course looks great for that. Although we're going to be dealing with those breezy conditions, so I mean, don't lose your hat, but make sure you pack on the sunscreen because even on the course, it's those UV indexes. Yeah, it's real easy to get sunburned this time of year. So
well, the wind going to do no favors with my golf ball there at all. I'm
we'll see it rolling across the golf course.
Exactly. All righty, sounds good, Chris. Thanks so much, Red Raider Nation. When we come back.